It's here for Mimamuni Akwaba Eba Melodies TV. So, this particular story, it has a background. I'll tell you the background and then we continue with the message. And Nana Pia Mensah, what they aba. Supposedly from Nana Pia Mensah, I have a letter right here, as you can see in front of your screens, and the date. And I just watch open letter to whom it may concern. Now, just 2 days ago, na videos go viral of a year Stone Boy and then Nana Pia Mensah and some other people just a xylophone media were more signing new musician bia I think say din the t-shirt na sa new musician name say din the t-shirt was a den what the voice any bibia as a ebony pepepe until near sign sa new musician to xylophone a year music. So Nana Pia Mensah did the unveiling of the musician and all. Until that was the first time Nana Pia Mensah was seen outside with Stone Boy. A lot of people were speaking. Nebi Moka say, "Hey, obi asebe ngrofu sika won ho and I still was signing ngrofu. Just ngrofu bebre." Nana Pia Mensah has released the letter, and the letter is right in front of you, which is titled "Open Letter to Whom It May Concern." Now, letter no brofo akesie ewom, brofo ewom. So I'll try to read and explain to you guys because Nini Nano, who read the letter now, but who say, "Efa baby no, or more criticizing for coming out and signing a new musician, even in times like this, walk out no." He in a way responded to those critics. Into no, my main king can letter no na baby was a metrasia, no metrasia. I say a cardinal trait or element in business is the assets and liabilities phenomenon. All operational businesses have assets premised on liabilities or debts stroke obligations, such as debts, faulty machineries, salary, etc. In fact, any obligation owed to another party, susceptibility can be termed as a liability. Liabilities would forever be a part of all human endeavors. The first opening paragraph, now, person will say, will be a work business mubian a two sides. Either say war asset and now war liability. You can say be a liability a dear Emma a business and a free business nimu ako. And our ma example a bit to say faulty machinery. Uye jumane be a machine out the ye jumana essaya a babe than liability. Not to say we say we use ka ekoto machine for fro. It is a liability. Salaries. Uye ejuma wie na the end of the month who chancrof worker says he cannot a fee company name, so it is a liability. Inti what church has say ejuma kuobia ewa assets any liability. Inti the opening paragraph no brofon kesien no, that's the main explanation. Now the second paragraph no say liabilities in the immediate instance aside serving as a driver into bracket motivation for business owners stroke managers to get corporate objectives achieved are also employed to widely open income streams. It is when your liabilities exceed your assets as a company that you have a problem, and as a state is when you are termed as a failed state. Thankfully, Ghana is working just fine, and we as an entity within the public would utilize our assets into bracket, the ones we can reverse or mobilize to make it possible to overcome all our liabilities. Ya wa kan say wo hwe ebi mu a say ebia sika free company ni mu akwa ene say ebia sika ne kra ekwa akosai ebi wo ho a sika free company ni mu kwa for expansion yemfa ne say wo store wo company na wo building kitu ebi mu na wo say wo si building kese sika be free company nim but ejuma no you are opening it. Intino yes, and yes, be a sika a free company ni muni na ye bone. Asemo a work no. Eto de bia sika a free company ni muni say ebema company no enyi na company na be ye kese because you are expanding, you are buying more equipment, you are buying more things. Into a say liability the company be mu na say ye case a company be a failed company. It is when the liability is bigger than the assets. Not just a sika a free company nim no krano. As soon as sika eba company nim not just a company no wo loss. Into eno and a worker. said that is when you call a company a failed. Now, all these things that Nana Mensah is saying, it has an end game. Like over here in the upcoming paragraphs I may read, na matras here, but I just want you to understand what he's saying. And something or Troy, I'm say a 2-page letter, but we'll be able to maybe cover only the first page. Yeah, we are not there because see, to say that Men's Gold and Xylophone are one and the same is a very low shot at logic and a glaringly incredible display of intellectual deficiency or bankruptcy. A child and his or her sibling may have the same biological parents, are obviously from the same family, but are two different individuals in every aspect. This is a firm factual point at law and in principle. Now, Nana Mensah edi aba assembly mu ankasa. What's it here? Men's Gold and Xylophone are two different companies. Now, I have said, the reason why Nana Mensah is giving all these explanations. As Men's Gold and Xylophone are two different companies. Wobia Wobeka say, yes, Men's Gold and Xylophone, they have a parent who is unknown Nana Mensah no. But they two different companies. I say Wobia Wawo. So wo yes, Obi Owo now sounds wo for France. And if I kono Oyewunia. Yamfan say Wawo for Omawo motre muye nuanom, but you people are individuals. You are not the same. Inti asema Nana Mensah eka no na nini name no the entia Nana Mensah eka say ne say because nkrofo hu ne say Men's Gold for sika won ho and still one nama was signing nkrofo wa Xylophone no eno na wode ba eka say dabi so was signing nkrofo wa Xylophone Men's Gold different. It is a Men's Gold sebe and there omakwa hunye mu a ene interest Xylophone so automatically womonkwa hunye mu because yes papa baako mame baako now so they are different children, they have different characteristics. Ebi ana Xylophone no they are performing well, ebi ana Xylophone no womo nye say Men's Gold ye intimuntie. So that is the third paragraph explanation and Nana Mensah and Nadia Walker what I understand and what I am telling you guys. See, in any case, if one is indebted and does not get productive, how is he or she expected to generate income to service a pay off the debt? We as a formidable group we must and shall open up our income streams by resorting to the very little and capital resources at our disposal to wisely and tactfully get productive as a group to pay off completely soon, just so we can salvage an ailing proud member of our sect as quickly as possible. Now, the Nana Mensah eka and they say yes, what den crofo na wobi a woye businessman so what den crofo ka eden e no be ya wo betia crofo ne ka. De wo be ye ene say sika kakra wo no ana ade kakra wo no wo de be ye business na wo de ebie company mu. Not just a discover to increase revenue stream and our income stream. Now the more scaba, not just when yaska etia Men's Gold customers no. Inti mo amoka say and Nana Mensah and ye Men's Gold for sika ye say and I just say we signing new musician. No, that is the explanation he's giving. Say and the was signing new musician or the Nkrofoka na nini name no and say yes we invest e new musician ni mu inti sika neba na ebi Xylophone media so ebegina eno krabe to me the sika ba more na what they say sika na etia Men's Gold for. So that is what I understand by this point, this fourth paragraph from Nana Mensah. Now let's go to the last one. I've told you say ewa, so I'll try as much as possible. I have another page, but I'll try as much as possible to cover this page and the next one in another video. I'll say as of now, we hold documentary evidence clearly showing that we have paid over 96 billion old Ghana cedis, 9.6 million new Ghana cedis, even in our state of dormancy, and continue to humbly make payments every now and then. We are capable, committed, and shall continue to appreciate the paid up figure to a conservatively minimum amount of 600 billion old Ghana cedis before the end of the calendar month of December. Nana Mensah kanina NSS. Sisiano, yes. Men's Gold kra enye juma no wetumi atia 9.6 million. Na wo hwe nim say by the end of December this year, Omo a wodi omo kanina wobe settle omo. This is what Nana Piamensa is saying. It's in the creators are no more can and there would be a sika and of course I knew will be and you say no. This is what he's saying. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment box below. Do you side with him? And I will share. It's still one of those things. Muncha mwadwen e comment box number 4 medase.